Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets inside Intel's leading microchip manufacturing plant. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Intel, a name synonymous with innovation and technological breakthroughs. Did you know that these tiny microchips are the brains behind millions of electronic devices we use daily? Let's take a look at Intel's journey from its founding in 1968 to becoming a leader in microchip technology. Isn't it amazing? Let's explore each step in Intel's microchip manufacturing process. Everything starts with an idea. 1. Design and planning. Engineers at Intel use cutting-edge software to design detailed schematics for each microchip. Look at that. It's complex, but truly fascinating. 2. Wafer production. Silicon wafers are the foundation of microchips. The process begins with cutting wafers from large silicon blocks, followed by polishing and cleaning them. It's quite magical. 3. Photolithography process. Photolithography is a crucial step. Light and special chemicals are used to etch intricate circuits onto the wafer. This is where the magic happens, creating precise microcircuits. 4. Doping process. Doping involves adding impurities to the wafer to alter the electrical properties of silicon, enhancing the microchip's performance. It sounds complex, but it's really interesting. 5. Etching and deposition. Etching and deposition are steps to create layers on the wafer. Etching carves out circuits, while deposition lays down new materials. It's like an art form. 6. Testing and packaging. Once completed, the microchips undergo rigorous testing to ensure quality. Finally, they are carefully packaged for shipment. This process is meticulous and thorough. Intel doesn't just stop at manufacturing microchips. It continuously innovates and applies the latest technologies. Did you know that robots and artificial intelligence play a crucial role in this process? Robots help increase efficiency and precision in production. These tireless robotic arms work hard to ensure each microchip is perfect. AI and machine learning analyze production data, predict demand, and optimize processes. This is a groundbreaking step in manufacturing technology. Intel's latest inventions are opening new horizons in microchip technology. Stay tuned for more amazing breakthroughs from Intel. Microchips are not just vital components in electronic devices, but also play significant roles in various industries. Imagine a future where everything is smarter and more connected thanks to microchips. From healthcare and automotive to space exploration, microchips are revolutionizing how we live and work. In the future, microchip technology will continue to evolve, bringing groundbreaking innovations and applications. Intel will always be at the forefront of this journey. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of the microchip manufacturing process at Intel and the importance of this technology in modern life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video to stay updated with the latest content. See you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.